Got a 19 Honda Goldwing. We are doing top speakers. Put some 8's in the bags. I don't have the other bag over here with a 600.4 and our factory amp. We're finding our factory speaker signals now. It's gonna show the easiest way I figured out to get these speakers out because I couldn't find the video anywhere. All right, so speaker grill. So there is a push clip on the corner. There's a push clip right here. Take those out. This is a pull out. Pull it till the clip comes out. You can see it's a rubber. From there, you got a Phillips and another, I think these have all, they're all the same size as the whole bike. I think it's a 4 mil, possibly 5 mil. Take those two out. There is a pop clip, I think like here and here. Can lift this up enough to get to speaker grill, which has 2 Allen keys, one on this corner, one in the middle, and then down lower there is a pop clip. Take that, pops right out. Just so you can see, got it out, all the plastics on. There's your grill, the 2 Allen key holes I was talking about, and the pop clip. We are replacing these with the Kicker Power Series. These usually do really great highs, nice compact, direct fit. Don't even gotta cut the wires, plug right in. So the next thing I was gonna point out is, because I couldn't find it anywhere, your wire colors. All right, so your left bag is yellow and gray. Right side, red and black. So your red and black, we came over here. We've got our meter connected to check for polarity, not the amp. I'm just gonna do this for the video. So we have a connect. So the wires feeding your front right, black and red, and feeding your front left is that yellow and the gray. So whether you're doing an amp bypass, cut them, use that to run to the front, we're actually gonna grab these signals, feed them to a DSP for our amp, and the amp's gonna power the 2 8's. We got an 8 in each bag, and then I'm trying to talk him into putting another set of 4's in it if we can find the grate, since his didn't come with that option. All kicker.